Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do my plan with me and my personal planner. This is the planner that I use for my Stampin' Up! Business and also for YouTube. And we are going to be planning the week of April 23rd through 29th. So I'm just going to take these pages out. And I'm going to be using this kit from Adorably Amy, which is just really cute. It's the Bye Birdie Teeny's Weekly Kit, and I didn't get any washi out, which is pretty much my MO lately. So let's see, green and blue and flowery and birdie. Does this go? Yeah, I think that looks cute enough. And it's new, so it'll be fun to open a new one. So I hope you guys have been having a nice week. Mine has been so crazy busy, but it's been good too. Very productive. This doesn't really match, but I'm going with it anyway. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is just put washi down the middle of both of these. And this planner is, like I said, just for my YouTube mostly and for Stampin' Up. I have not been doing a lot with Stampin' Up lately, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to be picking it up more, or I don't know where I'm going to stand on that. Right now I'm fine with how it is, which is pretty much I'm barely a hobbyist. I have been doing so many other things that I haven't really been doing too much with my Stampin' Up. But I figure that's the way it works out sometimes. And I do have some notes written on here. 12 Crafts of Christmas, One Sheet Wonder, Naughty Cards. I'll try to remember those three things. I usually go all the way up to the top. I don't know why I didn't this time, but since I didn't on that side, I'm going to try not to go all the way up to the top on this side either. I actually really like Scotch washi, and I forget how much I like it until I use it again, and then I'm like, huh, I like this washi. Scotch brand washi. It's just really nice, and it cuts well, even with the gift card. It's just nice. It's just nice. So I'm going to write on here with the goals. One Sheet Wonder. See, I've already forgotten. Oh yeah, the Naughty Cards. And there was something else. I've already forgotten. I don't remember. If any of you guys remember, well, I can just go back and watch it, but I don't remember what in the world I thought of. Oh well. I'm going to put this down here. I like to put, these kits work perfectly with this planner, and this is the jpapery.com planner, if you guys are interested in the same one. But I really like it. It works really well for me. I like to put the solids on the solid side, and then I put the to-do boxes on the lined side, and I don't know, I think it looks really cute, and it works really well, and it makes me happy. So what more can you ask for in a planner? And I use other kits sometimes, but it seems like I like this. The Adorably Amy kits just are perfect for this. And she has, I believe she has 1-page and 2-page kits, and I just need the 1-page one, which is also kind of nice to not have to need the biggest one, because that's the way it works with some of my other planners. Really, I'm only using one other one right now, my main planner, which I also post on the channel. So I'm going to use 4 blues because I have 4 greens in the check boxes, so I want them to be opposite. So I'll do 4 blues and then 3 greens, and then I'll put the check marks, or the check box, or the heart checks, I don't know what to call them, opposite color on these. So I'm just doing these every other. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, it will in a second when you see what I'm talking about. And then I will need 3 of these green ones. I'm just putting one down on every other day. And then I will put these down opposite. So now it should make sense when you see what I'm doing. So I'll put the green underneath the blue. And this is just so I can write some things down. I don't usually put a lot on these boxes. I will often use those kind of to decorate a little bit and to just make it look cute. But I do try to write a few things to do in these checklists. And Amy, adorably Amy, has changed up some of her kits through the years, and some of mine are really old. So if you can't find this exact one, I am sorry. I tend to buy a lot of kits and then use them as I need them. And I like to stock up when she's having a sale because, like I said, these are my favorites to use in this planner. This is my favorite layout. It's not always my favorite stickers to use or kits to use. I mean, because there are so many cute kits, it's hard to say that these are my favorite kits ever, but I love the layout. It works really well for this. So then my planning day I'm going to put down on Thursday. And I don't really use my functionals. I will sometimes put my payday one on Friday because we do usually get paid with Stampin' Up! On Fridays. And then these cute stickers, I usually find a place in here somewhere. I really would like to put the blue one on this side and the green one on this side, but I don't like them flying away. I want them to fly together, so I guess I'm just going to have to be color coordinated and put the green on the green and the blue on the blue. And then here is a little birdhouse. This is cute. And I'll put that one right there. And then some little hearts, or hearts. Yeah, hearts. Some little flowers. I will put those around. There we go. And then the rest of these I will probably not use. And I'll just write some things down that I know that I need to get done. I made myself a little note, but this note is actually for my big planner. And I know I need to do comments. And I'd like to do I need to do some tips. I'd like to do a kit. And I still haven't done a live yet, so I'm going to write that down. I need to do it this week. If I don't get it done still this week that's on right now, I need to do one for next week. So, because the last day of the month is coming right up, and I am trying to do one once a month. That's what I committed to myself, but to you guys too. So I'm going to write comments down here. I think I'm going to do that on every day. I like to keep up with them. And I enjoy interacting with you guys and reading what you guys have to say. And let's see, I need to do, this is our collab day. I need to do a one sheet wonder. And I'd like to do a kit. I'm going to do a one sheet wonder or a kit. I don't know if I'll be able to do them both, so I'll do that. And I need to focus on some tips, so I'm going to write that down here. And what else? I'm going to put a live there. And yeah, I think I've done everything that I need to do this month. I should work on a naughty card series. And I think that's it. So I am just going to put this back in there and call it done. So there we go. Really cute. I like how it turned out even with the flowery washi. I think it looks nice. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have a great week. Excuse me. Happy planning, and I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.